Good morning. I've been promising a morning video, but this time I got up. I didn't want to sit in bed. I did not want to sit in bed and do it. So it's Monday morning. Happy Monday. It's early. But this woke me up, so I thought I'd film. Hey! 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 Always morning multiples. And I had a request from a dear friend to do the trick with my nose, because I have morning multiples anyways, to do the trick with my nose. Hey! 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 See what happens, because I'm sneezing a lot of multiples anyways. Here it comes. Hey! 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 Oh. So I'm going to do the trick from my buddy, and I'm going to see if it makes multiples worse. Oh my gosh. Oh. Some of that was, the last three were coughs. Oh my gosh. That was so powerful. Well, that was weird, but I'll try it again. My nose hates morning. Yeah? It's allergic to daytime. What it is actually is it's, while I'm sleeping, it's taking in things in the air all night, and then I don't know. I don't really have allergies. I'm just a chronic sneezer. Feels good. I mean, it gets me going, but it feels good. Okay, well, I'm going to do it for my buddy. Okay.